Alright guys, next up is the Rago Dash Mount. Let's see what's in the box. Alright, looks like our parts are wrapped in this nice padding wrap here. I don't know what the technical name for it is. There's a bag with your hardware and a couple pieces of candy. Isn't that nice? Thank you from Rago. Is it Rago or Rago? I think it's Rago. You scan that and it'll take you to a video that shows you how to install this thing, which is cool. And of course, a cool sticker. And then that's it. And in the bottom, it had this really good, this padding. It's full of air. Very nice. There you go. Very solid piece of metal. Okay, and these are for these side pieces where you can hang your CB mic off of the. They has two of them, so you set it up to you know, hang another accessory off to the side there. So that's kind of cool. Here's. There you go. Boom. All right, so in the kit, you get these two spacers. And what they're for is you set them right. One goes here and one goes there. And then you get your dash mod here. Dash mount, I guess. And that's going to sit up there like that. And then when you figure out exactly where you want to line everything up so it's perfectly where you want it, then we're going to mark it in here. Same on the other side. And then that's when we're going to drill through. And those will be anchor bolts right here. And then up on top where the spaces are, there a bolt goes through there. Same on the other one. And then those will be locked into position. So I think it looks great, man. Good looking mount. Almost looks like it was part of it, huh? From the manufacturer. So still be able to see my clock through there, which is awesome. Just to help hold this in place where we want it. Just like that. Okay. Okay. See that silver hole? I could drill my last hole right there. Well, that was a battle, man, but you know what? I finally got all the nuts attached to the bolts on this thing, and I'm ready to start reassembling the dash. But just to show you, so that right there, and that right there, and then the side ones. Anyway, yeah, so it finally came together, and I'm just, like I said, I'm going to put it all back together and start mounting some stuff up there, and then I'll show you when I get to that point. Alright guys, that's going to do it for this video. Hope you guys like the Raptor LED lights that we put on, also the Rago Dash Mount kit that we installed. Got lots more to come. I got the Morimoto headlights, I've got the Rigid 360 series fog lights going in, I've got the Fang lights going in, we've got the Wildfinder rooftop tent coming this week. Gonna do a video on that and a review on that tent. So many things. Stay tuned, subscribe, like, and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss what I got going on with this truck. We'll see you next time out on the road.